Hey guys, this is Juan with the Trailer Parts Outlet. And stay tuned for my podcast. Wherever you stream your podcast currently, well, I'll be there. We're going to go over, this is going to be basically for whether you're your trailer industry, whether you're making trailers, building trailers, using trailers, or anything to do with a fucking trailer. I'm going to be there for you. Tell you the nitty gritty shit about behind the scenes and shit you didn't think you'd know. I don't know. It's launching January 1st, I think. When is it launching? Yeah, it's launching in January sometime, so stay tuned.